Humidification system for hydrogen fuel cell engines. Fuel cell engine systems part 2. In this slide we are showing you humidification system flow diagram. The same diagram but little bigger in size for your reference. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा. Humidification system. The humidification system saturates the hydrogen and air with water prior to their use in the fuel cells and manages the product water that results from the fuel cell reaction. Some fuel cell power plants combine the humidification system with the stack cooling system. This results in a simple, well-integrated system with excellent temperature matching characteristics. However, this arrangement precludes the use of anything other than pure water as stack coolant, which exacerbates cold weather starting problems since the pure cooling water freezes. The humidification system consists of a single circuit that draws humidification water from a product water tank using a pump and passes the water through a particulate filter and a deionizing filter. Particulate filter. The particulate filter removes particulate debris from the water. Deionizing filter. The deionizing filter contains a mixed bed resin to remove anions and cations. Ions cause fluid conductivity and accumulate during normal operation. Conductivity within any fluid stream that passes through the fuel cell stacks can cause short circuits within the fuel cells. This results in corrosion currents that lower performance and can cause fuel cell damage. Humidifier. The water leaving the deionizing filter splits into two streams. One stream is used for fuel humidification and the other for air humidification. Each stream flows through a check valve and into a humidifier. Some of the water passes into the gas stream and the remainder collects in a reservoir within the humidifier. Product water tank. This excess water passes through a drain valve back into the product water tank. Stack coolant. Source heat for the humidifiers is drawn from the stack coolant. This ensures that both the fuel cells and the humidifier operate at the same temperature so that the maximum amount of water vapor can be carried into the fuel cells. This heat can be used directly by using the same water in both the stack cooling and humidification circuits, or indirectly by transferring the heat from the stack coolant to the humidification water using a heat exchanger. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा।